Hi, welcome to CADBIMHELP. How to return ZWCAD license or how transfer ZWCAD license to another PC. Let me show how ask for this question. This solution for standalone licenses. First step, run Start menu. Find ZWCAD folder. Find License Manager and launch License Manager. Next step, find Return button and push the Return button. After pushing Return button, you can see such procedure. Push the Return button. Then in the next window, you can find the Return button. Push this Return button. Returning, please wait. Return completed. Press Done. So, now in this PC, no authorized product detected, and you can activate your license to another PC. That's all. Thank you for watching. More interesting CADBIM video content in my social networks.